welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanesha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. Okay, so today we have one of my favorite kind of videos, which is an unboxing video. So if you guys are new to my channel, or if you're subscribed to my channel, it's probably because you watched my unboxing videos. I love doing unboxing videos whenever I get like a huge amount of inventory in, because I like watching them and they're just like, I don't know, interesting and like fun and stuff. Today, girl, we have I like have a collection coming out like in a few days, and this is part of it basically. So I have one of the items here that's a part of the collection, and then I want to show you guys what I'm going to like add to the collection to spice it up as far as branding and everything. So let me start rambling and start opening this up. So let me show you guys. Let me scoot you up like this. Okay, so here is what the inside of the box looks like. So it's just a whole bunch of white boxes. If you guys, I'm gonna give y'all a couple seconds to guess what it is down below. So go comment, what do you guys think this is in here down below? Part of the collection. So it just looks like this. It's very plain and all of that. And I'm gonna open it up. Like I said, everything is in here, but of course I had to show you guys as soon as it arrives. So look, guys. I'm so excited. Oh, I really hope that you guys love this collection so much. I try to be creative with it, and I've been looking for this like 4 months. Do y'all see this little freaking cute? Let me move this up. Look at this, guys. So it's still in plastic, but let me take it out of the plastic so you guys can see what it looks like. And y'all probably like, girl, what the heck is that? Do not mind my nails, y'all. They look a hot mess. I'm about to get them done. This one off. I literally just got these done and they're trash already, but we're not here but for the nails. So, okay, so I open it up, and this is how it looks. So cute. I love it. Okay, so this can come out. So the customer has the option to take that out if they want and put something else in here. But guys, I freaking love this so much. Like when I seen it, I was like literally shook. I was like, this is so freaking cute. Like this is literally so cute. So that's one color. Okay guys, so here is the second freaking color. And I love it so freaking much. So I'm about to open it up. I'm so freaking excited. Look at this. So freaking cute. Okay, let's take it out the plastic. It's so freaking cute, y'all. Like literally. Make sure you guys are following my Instagram so you guys can see how I promote and all of that for it. Okay, so it just looks like this, and this is my hand and this is the person, just so you guys can see like how big it is. But it just looks so cute. This is how it looks. So freaking cute. And like I said last time, you can take this tray out. Just keep it like that. It looks so freaking cute, guys. So now I'm going to show you guys how I want to like add my own little spice to it, add my brand to it, and all of that. So they come in these little white boxes, which I thought was really convenient. So I printed out some labels to go on the boxes. So this is how the label looks. And then I just have it on this side. I think I wanted to put it on this side. And I'm just gonna put the label right in the middle. So here's one done. I'm gonna continue doing that until I have all of them finished. If you guys like these type of videos, make sure you guys let me know down in the comments, what do you like about them, and how often should I do them, and just stuff like that. And I also want to know, like, what do you guys do to brand your business? Like, do you just add like sticker logos? Do you have like custom packaging? If you have like flyers that you send out in every order. Of course, I hope you guys have business cards. Just let me know down in the comments, what do you guys do to brand yourself? Because branding is really important, so I hope you guys are branding yourself. And it doesn't have to be super expensive at all. You don't have to spend a lot of money to brand yourself. So the ones that I have done are all right there. And then I just have these ones that I'm going to finish. So this is what they look like. On the back of these boxes, I kind of want to add my logo, just because the logo on here, like, you can see it, but it wasn't supposed to be standing out on there, so I kind of want to add it to the back. That way it's standing out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let me hike this up for y'all to see. Yeah, I'm gonna hike it up like right there. And then y'all can see me put the labels on and stuff. Let's do it over right there. Okay, yeah, that's really good. So I'm just gonna turn it around like this and then just add the logo sticker on the back. I already have some of these printed, so just gonna add it in the middle like this. So it just looks like that, and it looks really cute. I really like that, how they turned out. So I'm just gonna add it to the back like this. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I will be having like 2 more videos, or maybe 1 more video for this collection. So it'll be like another unboxing video, and then I'll show you guys how I brand it, because I have lip glosses coming soon, and I'll have to put like labels on those. So I'm gonna record that and then show you guys like what I do to finish off this collection. So if y'all are interested in seeing that, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and you turn your post notifications on. Let me know down below if you guys like, I don't know what you want to call this, my lash case or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I really like these. They kind of remind me of like iPhone screens. But yeah, if you guys would like to purchase this, make sure you guys are subscribe to my website and also follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Comment your website down below. I'm also probably going to do like a video showing you guys how I promote like new products on my website for Instagram. So if y'all are interested in that, make sure y'all subscribe. Get this video a like. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys, and check out the rest of my videos. If y'all want to support me and purchase any of this stuff that I showed you guys, of course they'll have lashes in them. Make sure you guys go to candykbeauty.com and check me out. All of my inventory is like gone, so if you guys do get on my website, I had a huge sale for like the last month. I've been having like big sales just to get all of my inventory going so I can launch new products and stuff, and everything is like almost gone. So if y'all are interested in that, make sure you guys go check it out. I have lip glosses launching Thursday. Like I said, I have like 4 or 5 shades launching. Make sure you guys are following my personal Instagram, my wholesale business page. I have a Facebook group. Everything is linked down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Really quick, Desmond is like snoring in the background. But I wanted to show you guys this cute purse that I bought from one of my subscribers. I love her shop. It always supports me, and I just wanted to support her as well. This little bag is so cute. I can't show you guys the picture because my phone got lost, but yeah, it's really like good quality, and I'll have her website on the screen right here. Her Instagram and all of that will be linked down in the description box. If you guys go over to her Instagram, tell her Kanesha sent y'all, just comment that or whatever. She's really nice, and she works hard. Make sure you guys go check out her website. She also sent me some lashes that were really cute, and some perfume. It was like a sample perfume, and it smells so freaking good. So yeah, make sure you guys go check her out. Her shipping was really fast. Make sure you guys are always leaving your website down below. That's why I always say, you guys, comment your website down below. Okay, now bye for real now.